Please send in your answers and a very good luck to you and a very good luck to the one who's gonna get it right. And please don't forget to follow us on our socials and John on the microphone.
Mr. Piano Man, play a song for us. Mr. Piano Man, play a song for love. Mr. Piano Man, play a song for us. Mr. Piano Man, play a song for love. Do you have a request book handy I could flip through? I do. He said my name is Ronnie. Good to meet you. What do you wanna hear tonight? He asked me. I said something I could feel inside. Oh, I got what you need to know exactly. Why don't we give this a try? Maybe a song about heartache. I promise I can sing every word. Mr. Piano Man. Maybe a song about love lost. That's another one everyone's heard. Strike up the band. We can have the whole world singing tonight. 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 Play a song for us, Mr. Piano Man. Play a song for love, Mr. Piano Man. Play a song for us, Mr. Piano Man. Play a song for love. Oh, he played a song filled with sadness. I believed him. Each note was dripping with madness. I could see it. We were lost in the music. Everyone knew it. Truth was in the air tonight. I could see all the faces. They started to say it. Won't you please play me a song about heartache? I promise I can sing every word. Every word. Play me a song about love, love, love. That's another one everyone's heard. Strike up the band. We can have the whole world singing tonight. 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 Play a song for us, Mr. Piano Man. Play a song for love. Play a song for us.
Sounds on Saturday with John, the boss.
Rediva the Queen's Choice, Piano Man by Brandy. So, a few shout outs then before we went. And all these guys got the Julius Caesar question correct. Yes, Julius Caesar was 12 inches tall or 30 centimeters. No argument, he was a Roman ruler after all. Messi in Hatfield, Titus Piri, Sissy Jules says she enjoyed the music too. Cinch, my guru, powerful music. Oh wow, how you doing, Cinch? Yeah, my guru Paul from the University of Zimbabwe got it right too. Donald Muzondo, Nixon Masunda, he says he also enjoyed the music on the show. Native citizen Blam Wanza of Mkoba 2, Guero meanwhile made sure to say a whole bunch of things just to make sure my head got bigger. Stop it, Blam Wanza, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it, I like it. Oh, actually, so did Freeman. Hey, guys, you're too kind.
I got key, I got secret, I got key to another way. I got key, I got secret, I got key to another way. with John the Boss.
Now, did that take you back or what? The Urban Cookie Collective, the key, the secret. Now, I know my late pal Peter Jones, the radio driver, used to go absolutely loco for that one.
The key to more fun is to join us again next week or catch up on ZambeziSoul.com out of London or GalaxyRadio.net via Germany.
The secret is to get those votes coming in for Michael Jackson or Clancy Mbirimi, and also to answer our quiz question. Reminders are on Facebook at John on the Microphone.
You've all been absolutely fabulous. He's John the Boss that rocks the DJ box.
And she's DJ Hot Cat, the cupcake from the Zambian Copper Belt.
Thanks to the RCG for hosting us and to all our SOS fans for joining us.
Hi, this is Fungai Masango from Classic 263 Radio, Harare, Zimbabwe. You're listening to John the Boss. This week's quiz question is, driving through Ireland, not too long back, the boss noticed one of the booms at the railway road crossing was down, yet the other side was up. What was the logical explanation that he got from the railway attendant? The question again. Driving through Ireland, not too long back, the boss noticed one of the booms at the railroad crossing was down, yet the other side was up. What was the logical explanation he got from the railway attendant? Send in your answers and good luck!
Now that's a tricky one, boss, but very interesting. We've come to the end of the show once again, ladies and gentlemen, the SOS for this week, but definitely catch us again next. Before we get to that, a quick rundown of today's playlist. No Air, Jordan Sparks and Chris Brown. Hey Jude, Wilson Pickett, Cynthia Mare, Atina Musha Panika. Come Together, Michael Jackson. A little snippet entitled For You from Clancy Mbirimi. What Are We Gonna Do About It? Mercy Mercy, Arc of a Diver. Steve Winwood, Hello, Elaine. Bob Marley and the Wailers, Small Axe. Kulumalami, Rebecca Malope. Break It to Them Gently, Burton Cummings. Ndimi Baba Vangu, Ebon Chimombe. Piano Man, Brandy. And finally, Urban Cookie Collective, The Key, The Secret. Make sure you tune in next week. Have a great one, everybody. Otis the Flow in the building, signing off, and ciao.
Sounds on Saturday is the place to be for fun on Saturdays. It's the soundtrack to your lives, playing the soundtracks of your lives. Send them over via text or voice notes and automatically qualify for prizes galore, like airtime vouchers, food vouchers, celebrity autographed t-shirts and caps, cash prizes, bicycles. The list is endless. Listen out for details. Our updated WhatsApp details are: the local number is +263 719 498 651. That number again is +263 719 498 651. Our international number is +44 7751 022 922. That number again is +44 7751 022 922. Let's have some fun on Sounds on Saturday.
What do I want? Everybody get free.
This is a journey into sound. Stereophonic sound. Stereophonic sound. Stereophonic sound for dance music.
Frequency clear.